present.
The Nongpoh District Administration organised a registration Mela cum job fair for the youth of Nongpoh District under the Chief Minister's Youth Development Scheme. The event was held today at the District Library, Nongpoh. The fair was inaugurated by Abhilash Baranwal, Deputy Commissioner of Nongpoh District, along with J.M. Nongkondri, Officer of the District Employment Exchange. In his address, Baranwal urged the youth to strive for excellence and set themselves apart in any profession they choose.
See, the world is up for the take for those who work hard enough to grab it. So, please take advantage. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing yourself up on this day. I hope that all of you return with jobs that you are looking for, that suit your skill set and that simultaneously matches your aspirations and will help you go further.
The Regional Institute